we're at the site of Mechanics Hall, and this is the site where the convention from 1864 was reconvened in 1866. The governor opened it up so that the right to vote for Black people were going to be established. The delegates were in the Mechanics Hall. It was white and Black representatives in the hall. What happened was the police department wanted to disrupt the meeting. They marched down and they attacked the people that were in the hall. There were gunfires, people were killed. They wanted to disrupt the convention. But what was happening, the colored troops that were coming here were unarmed. They were marching to support the resolutions that were being decided in here. What happened was a mob of white supremacists, they came here and they attacked them. This was not a riot. General Philip Sheridan, who was actually the regent in this area, he actually called it what it was. It was a massacre. And what happened was people of color, the delegates, white delegates, were all massacred and killed in the street. Some jumped out of the windows of Mechanic Hall. Some were on the street. They were clubbed to death. They were shot where they were. They were executed and then chased in the street. So this attack was a precursor for all of the violence that would follow after 1866.